One cool thing you can do with shapes is you can segment and fill them. Let me show you this by first drawing a pentagon. Now this does have to be a 2D shape. And when you let go, you'll notice a menu appears on the right. This is the adorning menu, and it lets me manipulate the object. In the 5th row, you'll see a hexagon icon. This is the segment button, and when I click on it, you'll notice it segments my pentagon into 5 pieces. Let's draw another shape to show you this again. So we'll go back to our shape menu. Let's choose an octagon this time. And same thing, in the adorning menu, click the segment button and it will segment into 8 pieces because it's an octagon. Now, this does change, however, if we draw a circle. So let's go ahead and draw a circle. And this time, when we choose the segment button, you're going to notice that a menu appears from 2 to 12. This lets you choose the number of pieces you want to segment your circle into. Let's go ahead and we'll pick 5. This is going to segment my shape into 5ths. And each of these shapes becomes its own independent object, and I can move them if I choose the select tool from the main toolbar. Remember, that's the green arrow icon. And then if I click and drag on one of the pieces, it will actually move and become its own independent piece. I can even click on this object and the adorning menu will appear, allowing me to manipulate this individual piece. So let's go ahead and click on it. And so if I wanted to shade this piece in to show 1/5, I could by clicking on that paint bucket icon in the 4th row. Now that can be kind of time consuming if you click each object and the paint bucket. So let's find a way to do it a little faster. Go to your shape menu, and at the very bottom, you're going to see a paint bucket icon. This is the fill tool, and it just lets you quickly fill a shape over and over and over again. So what we're going to do is we're going to select blue, and then we'll choose the paint bucket. And now if I click on that piece, you'll see it just fills it in as blue. So this is showing 1/5. If I want to show 4/5, we can just undo this here, and then I can quickly click on the other 4 pieces and you'll see it fills them very quickly. Now, if I want to move all these pieces together instead of independently, let's go ahead and put this piece back. What I want to do is use my select tool, and I'm actually just going to drag a circle around all the pieces. You'll see this dotted line appears here, and this lets me select all 5 pieces together. Now when I click and drag, they'll all move together. If I want to move one piece again, all I have to do is click on the canvas and then move one individual piece just by clicking and dragging.